In today's video, let's see if a dishwasher is actually helpful in our daily lives. First, let's see how it works. The dishwasher is connected to the sink next to it. I'm going to open it now. As you can see, I've loaded it with dishes. The dishes are all dishwasher safe. I just rinse the dishes before loading into the dishwasher. On the bottom rack, I've arranged plates and small containers. We have space here for spoons, spatulas and knives. On the top rack, I've arranged bowls, small plates and cups. We need to make sure the plastic containers are all dishwasher safe. This is where we add the soap. We can either use liquid soap or soap pots. Now let's see the options we have here. We have Power Plus, Normal Wash, Quick Wash, China Crystal, Rinse Only, and a few other options. I'm using Quick Wash with the heat option. This will take about 43 minutes for the dishes to wash and dry completely. Let's start the dishwasher now. Once we are done selecting the options, we can close the dishwasher. We have 7 more minutes to go. As you can see, it's done. Let's open the dishwasher now. It's still kind of hot. One quick tip is that once the dishes have completed the wash cycle, remove everything and leave the dishwasher empty. This saves time and we can avoid loading the sink with dishes. And also we don't have to stand for a long time rinsing the dishes before loading into the dishwasher. To answer the question, yes, a dishwasher is helpful on a day-to-day basis. I hope you all liked the video. Please post your comments and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.